What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And this one, we're going to be putting the hood vent that I have on the 3000 onto my buddy Brandon's S13 coupe. It's his drift car, so he's going to bring it over. He bought the same vent. I'm not taking mine off. He bought the same vent for his car, so we're going to use my car as kind of like a template to, I'm going to probably pop mine off, measure the hole size and all of that, so we can get an easier idea to get it installed on his car and make the process a little easier. The reason he bought the same one as me is because I ended up getting an ABS plastic one as opposed to the more common fiberglass one, and it just gives it a little more like flexibility when it comes to going on like a curved hood or whatnot. So and it's just a little, well, it's a lot more durable than fiberglass. So he's on his way over now. He had to go into work today, so it's right down the street, so he's gonna swing over and we're gonna get started. I hear an S chassis. That's definitely Brandon's 240. Oh yeah, Hot Boy Express is in town. Yo, think you can make this?
I think I can send it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty angled.
No, come back further. Put your put that front wheel like right here. Yeah, and then just drive straight towards those rocks. All right, now cut left. Like full lock. Yeah, there you go. It's a good thing you got that KBD bumper.
Yeah. How you doing, man?
Good, man. Chilling. How you doing?
Good. Bingo. I'm right into the motor, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Because then once the scoop is down and I know like where this will be, I can then make my 20 by 24 square inside of that.
Yeah.
So I got this hood vent mocked up on Brandon's car. Basically what I did is I pulled mine off, took a measurement of how big the square is in mine. It's 24 wide, 20 inches front to back, and that gives me the idea of how big of a space I need to cut. But then also using my bolt holes that I have in my hood, it also gives me more like the dimensions as the where this square actually gets placed once it's under the hood vent. So I mounted his vent using the top center hole. I'll probably take measurements out to the outside holes that I have and just make some marks. And then the backside's easy, but then once I get some marks for these holes, then I'll be able to kind of just take measurements down and figure out where the front holes will fall, and then make the square inside and bring out the Sawzall and cut up this beautiful hood. All right, so I used the measurements, came up with this square on the hood drawn out. That's gonna be my first cut, and then see how the vent falls into that, and then if we have to make any adjustments using this hole as like a little guide every time we put the hood vent on, we can make any necessary adjustments that we have to make, whether it be like probably going to be trimming outward. The top and the bottom are good, I believe. All right, so we cut a hole. It's not done yet, but it's gotta cut some more of this like webbing under the hood right here, and they were the same spot, literally two same spots, because the Sawzall blade wasn't reaching down. So hit that with the Dremel. We should just be able to do that 1 inch like on each side. Yeah, it should. And it should just fall right out, and then we'll hit that top corner up there with the Dremel wheel, and then we should be good. So first try. I'm impressed in myself here. This thing, like using that top one, let's see if we got room. So we can make sure it's like super straight before we, cause mine's a tiny bit crooked. But you don't realize it. You realize it when it was white, but now that everything's like black, you really don't realize it. So yeah, this thing fits in, everything clears with plenty of extra space. So now we just gotta really line it up, drill some holes, we'll run some self-tappers in it. We got it rock. Look at that.
Man. That's good.
That looks real good. I like that.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
So Brandon's got these factory midnight style acrylic pieces that we're putting
We got
on.
the rear roof wing, and then we got the mirror visors. And then we also have these side skirt extensions, but these will probably be a later time.
Adding a little tape. Oh. A little extra.
We're just adding a little extra just to make sure it's like reinforced and it's not going to fly off. But
all right.
ain't good. Like that.
Yeah, the way, so we got the lights on up there, and the way the light goes through this thing and the edge catches it is nuts. It's so hard to see in camera, but like it just captures the light and it looks like it's glow. It looks like there's a light inside of it and it's on.
Try that. That might.
Yeah, you can see that it's like, it looks like there's like a red light, like a pink red light on. That's dope looking. This is cool.
Yeah.
I definitely need something like this for that.
Yeah, for
It's
sure.
in like the neon.
I need to add some more pink on the car.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah.
Tom's
sick.
just, it goes so well with his wheels that I'm like, damn, I probably just have to powder coat my wheels pink.
Yeah. All right, let's get those mirror jones on. Go straighten your wheel. Yeah, now go back. All right, now cut it hard. Yeah. All right, stop. Now straighten out, and then go straight back. Yeah, you're good. All right, man, I'll see you. All right, so we got a hood vent on Brandon's car. Quick and easy. Thankfully, I have my car to go off of to get all the dimensions, and it went way smoother than I thought. And then we got that factory midnight style stuff installed on his rear window and his mirrors as well. So, thank you guys for watching. Something different. I told you guys there was gonna be different cars coming in the channel here. We had Mikey's car. Shout out to you guys that, you know, watched that, liked the video, and did all that stuff. And yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal.